In a world so small with colors bright, lovely clouds and skies of light, there's a tiny friend so full of glee, a little birdie as small as can be. Tiny bird flying high through the clouds across the sky, with feathers soft and colors so grand, in the magical world of the tiny bird land. In the morning sun it starts to sing a melody that makes our hearts swing. Tweet, tweet, in a language sweet. Tiny bird, your songs are a treat. Tiny bird flying high through the clouds across the sky, with feathers soft and colors so grand, in the magical world of the tiny bird land. Wings so delicate in the morning sun, it starts to sing a melody that makes our hearts swing. Tweet, tweet, in a language sweet. Tiny bird, your songs are a treat. Tiny bird, flying high through the clouds across the sky, with feathers soft and colors so grand, in the magical world of the tiny bird land. Wings so delicate, a flutter and dance, in the meadows and fields it finds its chance. Through the trees and flowers so fair, tiny bird, you're beyond compare. It builds a nest with twigs and love, in the treetops high above. It's so small in a cozy bed, tiny bird with the crown on its head.